Well, when we're looking at simplifying ratios, this time we have decimals in the ratio. So the first step is to scale up the ratios. In other words, looking for an equivalent ratio that doesn't have decimals in it. So we're going to remove the decimals by looking for an equivalent ratio. We're going to do that by scaling up. Now if I look at 0.4 to 2.2, the easiest way is to multiply both parts of the ratio by 10. So I get 4 to 22. I multiply both parts of the ratio by 10. Now I have removed the decimal. I have a nice ratio to work with. All I need to do is to identify the common factor and then simplify. You may need to repeat the identifying the common factor and simplifying process till you're fully simplified, but sometimes you might be able to do that in one step. And for this question here, we can do that in one step. So we divide both parts by 2, so we end up with 2 to 11. For the second one, again I'm going to scale up, looking for an equivalent ratio. And I'm going to get 1.5 to 8, and I'll multiply both parts of the ratio by 10. So I end up with 15 to 80. And then I'm going to identify a common factor and simplify. So I end up with 316. For 4.9 to 1.4, again, I'm going to scale up. I'm going to multiply both parts of the ratio by 10. And I'm going to end up with 49 to 14 times by 10 on that side and also that side. Yeah. Just showing you a different presentation of that same solution. And then I'm going to identify the common factor, which is 7, and then divide both parts of the ratio by 7 to get to 72. And then for the fourth example, this time we're going to have to scale up twice. So if I multiply both sides by 10, I get 0.5 to 3. That hasn't solved our initial problem, so I'm going to scale up again. So I get 5 to 30, and it's okay to scale up twice. It's not a problem, you can scale up 3 times or more. And then we're going to identify a common factor and simplify. And the common factor between these two is 5. So we're going to end up with 1.